Hello, Ebisiafo. Mema obi akwaba eba channel yi so. Eni de ye ba behwe kwan ye befa so a waste, bathroom waste no. Like if you have something like this one in choky. Most times no, na bathroom drainage no, wo floor no. Wo floor no a wutimi de ade akata so kama. But when it's like this, they have something like they call it P. Yeah, omudi shame emane ye ene so kata. But when plumber na anye na ojai ni say ya after work no, you can't fix that one. If the drainage is passing through the wall, just like this one. We sign, so it's a story building. It's easier to pass the drainage through the walls than passing it through the ground. This is another bathroom. First one na me de chere no na say ya na hole ne ketwa 2.5 pipe ne hye. Emusi me fair plumber bi no no so besesa ano no. Na obi ano no kra just to make my case worse. Inti enkran so asetena de bibia they will push it inside. Bibi obehu bia say bibia da form a odware instead so obeyi no obepia hye. Inti this is the house. So wo hwa pipes no ba kono fe kese ne ye toilet na ketwa na ye bathroom drainage no. Ye twitwa because emuta esi because of how open it is. And na bathroom no kra say open say ya. Aboa bia betimi ewram. Ye tete da say wo epie snakes epie wo WC ni ade. Into shop pipe ya metwitwa ebi wo a me a emutimi si na me am the bread knife fa betwa na ensuo na timi aba. Later no makopo obi abe sa into ha ba during painting no na we after painting ya ba betwa into na new pipe esa ahye hon we aha me pa intimi figure out a solution no na me pese me no che that I want to share it with you. It is also has say ya to pipe mu na me ni fie me buy na pipe no aba but ade ni mu asi because say mu asi nti hwe ensuo na ebu no nti I start AP ba abonten in small time no obo nse nkani nyina bebu afa fie ho nyina say nye say lucky me buy fie ntema ka me ba ne ensuo na bu afa ho nyina. It is very disturbing when you have this type of drainage in your bathroom na wo sa ate story building ma e ma obre nti misro hwe video yi na we enye be ma asem wankasa as a woman no you can do it na ama no ma akwantem emusi a start say bisi nso no kra akwantem wo di dware na wo ginem enye kama. Into what I did was me dwen ho say vent omufre bibi vent ebi nie pipe bia e won vent into we 1.5 vent sa pipe na ehye echi ho no ne vent enie into me koto ba na me di be hye wo di hye ma na enko because eso inti e was a pipe no mum ehye we inti we di we ni ko hye mu no enkom inti wo hwa 2.5 inches okwa. You have to know the size of your pipe and san no akoto vent no sebe ya oba omre inti sede eti ni me ba na me de sekan be hye jam enkom no na me twitwa bi efiri ho a inti wo twitwa bi efiri ho sa ebe ba be ye ketwa afi wo be hu se wo di ko hye ma ebe hyem kama. Inti me yusu banku dade ne de ka banku no na me de hyem na masade no inti week bia ebia me hu se ensuo no se na esi kone enko se de me wose kwa na mabeyi afrim na ebia mahohrum wote abrosan so a wusi no ma se nye washing machine a obehwe agu bath because untimi fa ensuo nsi from all the time oye mobia obehwe agu bath and ni nyina contribute ema ade ni mu esintem enkra no so no owura bath na wo hu bibia na anytime obepia akohyem na omanye hunu nso se wo pia hyem a ema back na obepia akohyem soap so kra soap enketenkete no ebetimi akohyem ama nasi because of how it is open aboa bia so betimi afama ba entontom ntafre ne ade inti is really unhealthy when the pipe is open like this enye kra oba tan so a woni somfo wo pese obi bia ye ntenten na wo dware a na enso ni tai wona ase enkwa ha adwen inti misro eya na wo bibi se wa bomoden na waye we enye be ma asem kra wa wo betumi aye inti pipe no so ne bo anything vent na 5 cedis or 4 cedis. Very cheap way to solve your bathroom wastage issues. Into di be 1 week no and I'm see mama nkoye I could see something green there. Say na a bottle top. Into one we in one way enkra games no krombe pimpin bi ahim. Na tembia wote hwa na wo bre how to this we could trap pipe no I just offer plumber this we could trap pipe no all the time. Into this one is a permanent way of a cheap way of solving your waste problems. Medofo onkwa na wote a wabdwaye de ene ye ba dwaye mame ma wote ba akomienu bi de bia wo dware a e wo sa wo yes scrubbing emfanto ho enye ne wochena wanhwe ya dakro wonim se ade chemi kurituma dwaye wo be sore no na ba ko ho aye na ade na kotena hospital ebe 1 week na ba afo no so woni obi oboawa na egu ho nti de bia wura ho anu aye nkakra na e kwantem se wo ho ensuo na se efi pa na anka akohihim. Until your problem is solved now. When you video, you want to subscribe, comment, like it, share for all your loved ones. See you in our next video. Bye.